If you wanted to make money this weekend, basically starting with nothing, what would you do?
Do I have so I have no capital?
You can have $100 or $200.
20-year-old me, scrappy.
Yeah. So scrappy person wants to make
it's $1,000.
$1,000.
You gotta make $1,000 bucks.
I would make this is what I was thinking. I'd find a uncle. I don't look enough like Santa Claus. I would find a friend, uncle, whoever that looks like Santa Claus. I have an uncle that's kind of chubby. He's got a white beard, a real white beard, and he's Santa Claus in the malls. I would find somebody who could spin up a quick app that allows me to pay $5 or $10 a minute to have my kid FaceTime with Santa Claus. Like I can say like, hey, you're going to fill out this little form of what time you want me to call this number, and this is my kid's name. And then I'm going to let my kid FaceTime with Santa Claus, a real live Santa Claus, and pay $10 or $20 a minute. And I think we could do 8 hours on Saturday and 8 hours on Sunday. And with one tweet, I'd find a guy like somebody with influence and say, hey, let's split the profits. You make one tweet for me. I'll pay you half the Santa Claus money that comes in. And I'd make a little app where you can pay $10 a minute to have your kid FaceTime with Santa Claus, because my kids love Santa Claus, but like they only get to go see him once and they talk about him and think about him every day. So if before bed one night they could call him and FaceTime Santa Claus, that'd be pretty cool.
That hits. For sure.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
That definitely hits.
Also,
someone's going to do that.
Also, that's low-key a parent hack. You're like, tell Santa what you want so I can hear.
My friend, I was talking to a friend last night, and he pulled up this little app that is just a recording. It's a really low-budget recording, but he's like, my kids have done this 100 times, and they don't know this is not the real Santa. And he pulls it up, and it's like an app where Santa Claus is like, Clayton, what do you want for Christmas? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But if you had a real person that could ask them some questions, it would make your kids so happy to be worth it to throw $50 at that.
Yeah.
If somebody builds it, will you do it with us?
Let's do it.
Somebody will definitely.
We got to hurry though, because we got 12 days to Christmas. Right?
No, doing it on Christmas Eve is the big winner. We get, it's Santa. Get ready to work.
You're gonna need a lot of coffee.
Yeah, listen, we got Commandeer coffee for you. It's perfect. But you just drink some water, shut up, sit down, talk to the kids, be quiet. No, but I think that people are literally saying, "Okay, you Santa shillers," or
People have a problem with everything.
I don't think you can patent that.
I think that would bring kids joy. So
It would.
Yeah, of course.
And some Santa that has to sit in a mall all day to earn a couple $100 could earn a couple $1,000.
Damn, and my idea was to go caddy for the weekend.
I love that stuff too. I mean,
yours sounds
that's the easy one.
much more lucrative.
if you don't have the ability to make the app or a network to spin it up, it'd be real hard to get traction. So in that case, I'd hang Christmas lights or go do some fall cleanup. Fall cleanup is big. People have leaves all over the lawn. I'd get rid of them.
Yeah, fall cleanup, I feel like, is like a super easy, just effort based. Like, I love the effort based ones where it's like, look, dude, grab a rake, shut up, and start raking. Right.
Yeah.
And like,
Yeah, I mean,
$1,000.
$1,000 is right in that realm of like, if you do physical labor for the weekend, you can do that.
you're gonna do it.
Hanging Christmas lights is a phenomenal, a growing. Won't say it's a phenomenal business, but it's a growing business. I mean, there are wealthy neighborhoods in Athens, which is a small town, where every single house has spent $5,000 to have them come in. People come in and put up a little tree in the front lawn and like, it's not much that you pay $5,000 to get Christmas lights.
$5,000 to hang Christmas lights?
I feel like that's a lot.
That's
Man,
awesome
y'all could
because
do
you
the
own
show
the
tomorrow
lights, so you
yourselves.
basically go put it up and then take it back down and have the lights for next year.
And you store them in my storage unit.
Yeah, I mean, if you really think about it, like if somebody's paying $5,000 to get their Christmas lights hung up, right? You could run through a neighborhood. You make $100,000.
Let's say a family, they're both lawyers. They both make $300,000 a year. Is it really wise to get up on a ladder and try to figure out hanging up Christmas lights and risk going to the orthopedic surgeon with a messed up back? Like if you want your house to look really nice for a whole month, like it's worth it, right?
Yeah.
Same thing as the lawn almost.
And then there's these like the botanical gardens at UGA. I took my kids there and they spent like $750,000 to bring a company in to outfit the entire botanical gardens full of Christmas lights. And it's an awesome spectacle. Like it was great to take the kids. It was worth the $15 entry fee. But some company got contracted for $750,000 to set up a ton of Christmas lights in about a 5-acre garden.
Yes, someone in the chat said they just charged someone $12,000 to hang up lights on a restaurant in New York.
Now we're talking.